Welcome to Best Quality Reviews. Top 10 Best Tankless Electric Water Heater in 2021. Top 1. Eemax EX280T2T Whole House Electric Tankless Water Heater. EX280T2T Whole House Electric Tankless Water Heater. Whole house use, multi-fixture. Hot or cold water feed. Unit has capacity to handle up to 2 showers at a time with a 3 heating module design. Provides up to 4 GPM of bathing temperature water, stage and turn on at 0.7 GPM. See more product details. Top 2. 240V General Purpose Electric Tankless Water Heater, 24,000 watts, 100 amps, water heaters. Item, electric tankless water heater. Water heater design, point of use. Water heater application, general purpose. Commercial/residential, commercial-residential. Watts, water heaters, 24,000, 4,000. Top 3. Heatworks Electric Tankless Smart Water Heater, the world's only water heater without metal heating elements. 6.2 to 24 kilowatts, 30 to 100A, 208 to 240V, whole home or point of use. Powered by Omega Ray technology. The Model 3 is the only water heater in the world to use Omega Ray technology instead of metal heating elements that rust and scale. This technology will save you time, money, and the planet's resources. Power requirements. Tankless electric water heaters for whole home applications require more power than the existing 30 amp circuits for electric tanks. In many whole home cases, the Model 3 will need to be installed at or close to maximum power at 100 amps and 240V, 24 kilowatts. In northern climates or homes with high hot water demand, please reference sizing information as more than one Model 3 may be needed. Consult an electrician on available breakers and main electrical panel prior to installing. Energy efficient for life. The Model 3 is highly efficient as it only uses power when hot water is needed. Install it nearer to the point of use for up to 10% in water and 25 to 40% in energy savings. Wi-Fi connectivity. Though not required, download the Heatworks free mobile app to remotely control the temperature of the Model 3. Or track and compare hot water usage and energy cost. Lots of installation options. The Model 3 is compact, 11x16.5x10 and requires no venting. It can be installed in new construction as a whole home or point-of-use water heater or in older homes as a replacement to any gas or electric tank type or tankless water heaters. No more running out of hot water or waiting for water. Note: Model 3 MUST be installed by a licensed plumber or electrician. Top 4. Stiebel Eltron 239,223 Tankless Water Heater, Tempra 29+, Electric, On-Demand Hot Water, Eco, White, 23. Pattern name, Water Heater. On-demand, a continuous and unlimited supply of hot water. Sleek design saves space and no venting required. Requires hardwire 240 or 208 volt electric service, with a maximum draw of 28,800 watts at 240 volts or 21,600 watts at 208 volts. Requires 3 separate dedicated 40 amp breakers with 8 gauge copper wiring, and a minimum of 200 amp total service to the residence. Top 5. Stiebel Eltron 224,199 240V, 1-phase, 50/60 Hz, 24 kilowatts Tempra 24+ whole house tankless electric water heater, advanced flow control. Digital temperature control. Voltage, 240 volt or 208 volt. Proven reliability. No venting required. Sleek design fits anywhere. Save at least 15 to 20% on the hot water portion of your electric bill. Top 6. Rheem 240V4 Heating Chambers RTEX36 Residential Tankless Water Heater, Gray. external digital thermostatic control with LED display, +/1 degree accuracy. Most advanced self-modulation, adjusts power to meet hot water demand. Durable copper immersion for heating elements, field serviceable. Simple installation, bottom 3/4 inch NPT water connections. Threaded for easy replacement, simple installation, digital temperature display. Amperage, 150 amps. A max flow of 8.0 GPM, top 7. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater, Tempra 24+, electric, on-demand hot water, Eco, white, 20.2. Continuous flow, advanced flow control patented technology invented by Stiebel Eltron, automatically maintains water temperature for constant comfort. It'll reduce flow slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity. Hot showers will never be interrupted again. Space and energy saver, its small, sleek white design saves space yet still provides endless hot water for your whole house, and no venting is required. Eco-friendly unit saves energy with auto modulation and the ability to electronically control water flow. Savings monitor even shows how much you save on energy costs. Easy operation, electronic switch activates the hot water heater and it's noise-free while in use. Has a digital temperature display and preset temperature and memory buttons, while the interior solid copper heating system does all the power work. Tempra 24+, this specific model is 24 kilowatts, 240 V, requires a minute recommended electric service of 150 A, and offers an output water temperature of 68 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Check our guides below to compare features of our various Trend and Plus models, each available in different kilowatt levels. Warranties included. Stiebel Eltron's top-rated electric tankless water heaters perform with the highest standards for comfort and reliability. Our 7-year leakage and 3-year parts warranties are included with purchase. Top A. Rheem RTEX 24 kilowatts 240V electric tankless water heater, gray. On-off dial control with adjustable digital temperature display. Self-modulating power control. 24 kilowatts model flow rate, up to 5.9 GPM for RTEX 24. Bottom 3/4 NPT water connections. On-demand, consistent and continuous hot water. See more product details. Top 9. EcoSmart ECO 24 kW at 240V electric tankless water heater with patented self-modulating technology. Lifetime warranty. Save up to 60% on your water heating cost with an EcoSmart electric tankless water heater. Never run out of hot water with an EcoSmart tankless water heater. Patented self-modulating technology and design. Activation flow 0.3 GPM. EcoSmart tankless water heaters are 99.8% energy efficient, 100A. Top 10. EcoSmart ECO 18 electric tankless water heater, 18 kW at 240V with patented self-modulating technology, white. The product is highly durable. The product is easy to use. Manufactured in China. Copper and stainless components. Lifetime warranty for residential use. Save up to 60% on your water heating costs with the most advanced, self-modulating technology available. Never run out of hot water with an EcoSmart tankless water heater. Save up to 12 cubic feet of storage space. Digital temperature control in 1 degree increments gives users complete control of hot water, 75A. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.